everyone, this is Modhura Banerjee. Welcome back to Foster Feed. Now, I'm quite sure that we all dream of becoming a star someday, but we do not know how. And by star, I do not necessarily refer to the silver screen stars. By stars, I mean real life stars. So, in today's episode, let us learn how to become a star from a star herself. Please welcome Dr. Amarja Nagre from Aurangabad, Mumbai, who's a cardiac anesthesiologist and also the author of a book called You Are a Star.
Welcome to Foster Feed, ma'am. Ma'am, the COVID scenario in Mumbai is terrible. Could you share your experience as a frontline warrior in this second wave of COVID-19 pandemic?
Yes, I have been working as a COVID warrior since last year, and that too, I work in COVID ICUs as a consultant. Even though I am like cardiac anesthesiologist, which means the doctor who gives anesthesia to heart operations, whatever heart
Yes.
operations they happen, like bypass operations, or if there is hole in the heart or something like that, valve operations, then I give anesthesia to those patients. So my branch is a very high risk branch, and we are very well versed with managing the patients in ICU as well. Therefore we had duty because of the shortage of doctors and everything. We too have duties in the COVID ICUs, and from last year we do those for one week or so. And yes, the pandemic was at its peak, I know, and even just a few days before it was at the peak. But I think now the decrease has been started, and let's hope that soon it will end. And now at least that panicky situation of no oxygen or beds availability, all these have reduced. And I just appeal to all the people that please wear mask and sanitize your hands and just stay at home, maintain social distancing. That is all what is needed to just curb this pandemic, Yes,
Yeah, we are all praying that the situation gets better soon, very soon.
yes, really.
So, ma'am, how did you embark on your writing journey?
Actually, to tell you the truth, I am a voracious reader since my childhood. And since my father was a professor, he has inculcated that habit in me of reading. So I think a reader is always a writer, like there is a writer inside the reader, because we read so much. And I used to read all the academic books, and so many, because uh, like I'm so well qualified, so I used to read a lot of academic books. And from the academics books, also apart from the academics book, I also used to read this all the fiction and non-fiction. But then I started getting interest in the non-fiction, because I used to motivate myself, and then I used to motivate all the friends around me, and all the students. And now there are so many students who approach me to get motivated. So in this manner, because I had a lot of like knowledge or something regarding all these things, I just thought I should pen it down into a book. And because it is not possible for one person to reach to everybody,
Of
so
course,
the book
yes.
is something, it forms a medium, yeah, between you and the reader. So you are present with the reader, and your thoughts are there. So whatever you want to convey, you cannot go and convey each and everybody or each and every person. So book is the best medium, I thought, and therefore I just thought of writing this book.
Yeah, that's a wonderful thing. So, how difficult is it for you to strike a balance between your professional life, your personal life, and your new journey as an author?
I know. First of all, I just say how difficult it is. No, it is not at all difficult. Basically, that is what I actually explain in this book. This is the book "You Are a Star," and this is the 10 success strategies to become a super achiever. Means what? Now, see, every female or even male person will have family, will have a profession, but it is not your life. Not your profession is not your life. It is part of your life, right? So you have to have a balance between the all these things. As a person, you have to grow, then you have to have growth in your professional life, yes, your family, everything. So everything has to go in hand in hand, and
Yeah.
we have to maintain a balance in between all these things. So if you inculcate a few habits, like it may take few months, even years, but it happens. Like if you have the habit of self discipline, for example, and if you are hardworking, then all these things happen. And just like success begets success, just like that,
Yeah.
hard work begets hard work. Like if you are hardworking, no, you work more and more because you get those rewards. Yeah, those are the biggest
And the reward
incentives.
in turn motivates us.
Yeah, so it makes you work more like hard. Yeah. So that's the best thing, and the rewards keep coming. It takes a little time, a few days, 2 months, but then when the blessings get showered now, you like all those things. Yeah, so you then keep on working. That's the cycle actually.
Okay. The title of your book is really very interesting. So you are a super achiever indeed. What strategies did you follow to achieve all that you have today?
um Basically, I want to tell you that I if I think of something that I want to achieve this thing, then I'm after it. Like whatever the circumstances, whatever the things come, if I want to achieve that, and if it is in my mind, I put my heart and soul in it. And I always believe the longevity of hard work is what works. Means what? If you keep on working harder, that's the only thing that is needed, because there are so many people who are talented out there. Yeah, but not all are hardworking. There may be passion also in everybody, that I want to do this, I want to do that, but not everybody will put all those efforts. And the efforts are also consistent, efforts are needed. Even if you fail, you have to keep on putting the efforts. I'll tell you, I am an academician as well. I have a lot of publications to my name, international and national publications. So because you asked me how did you manage so much, no? My
Yeah.
first publication was, I didn't have any mentor. Like my experiences were only my mentor, I tell you. So my first publication, I was rejected for 16 times. Means I have to I had to review. But then when it was 12th time that it came that you need some more modifications, and like that, when the reviewer used to tell, and I had to review it. So uh, if it is 12th time, if it was 12th time, I used to think, "L- just leave it. Yeah, now I can't go," because I used to even cry when it used to get rejected and come back, no. But then I used to think, if I prepare another article, I have to start from one. So if that also article gets me to stage 12, yeah, I again go 6 months behind. So whatever it is, if it is stage 12, let me do this. And 13, 14, 15, 16, finally 17th time it got accepted. And today I have so many articles published in national and international journals, that I tell everybody that we should have this perseverance and consistency, and that was what matters. And in
And
this
that
book,
joy after the
I tell
16th
all
time
these
when
things.
you get finally published, that joy is unmatched.
Exactly, that is unmatched. And during that journey, I learned so many things, because 16 times I got revised, no. So
Yeah.
I used to read what has to be done. Yeah. So in that journey, I read so much that the subsequent publications, they happened very fast. So there is a plan, everything, and it happens. But you have to keep on going, you have to keep on doing. That's it. Yeah, you should
Wonderful.
not quit. Yeah, very easily you should not quit. Yeah.
Ma'am, could you tell us some more interesting facts about your book?
Yeah, my book, no, basically this is the you are a star. It doesn't mean I am a star. It means you are a star. The person who is reading is a star, and this book tells you that you are really a star. What I've done is, in this, see, there are like a few four liners, or 2 3 poetries are also there, and they are very catchy. Then there are these boxes which makes it a very very interesting read. success never happens by accident, like this. And I got a very nice review that every at the end of chapter when I write this, just keep doing, I believe in you. So somebody was so much fascinated by this thing, yeah, that I believe in you, and you just keep on doing it, yeah. And mediocrity to mastery, let the journey begin. So that is the main
That
theme.
is the only thing we need to hear.
Exactly. This is something you have to grab this copy, and I tell you, this is going to be a life changing thing for you. It is just 145 pages, but this is something. And what I've done is, I've included real life illustrations, like I've done super specialization, no, in this cardiac anesthesia.
Yeah.
So I didn't get admission for that. So I cried so much because I didn't get admission, and then in Belgaum, and then finally I got admission at Bangalore. So how did that happen? Yeah. So it was so good that I didn't leave it, and all those things. So everything is described here. Then how one of my friend who had a lecture or a talk in a national conference at Delhi, but he didn't go prepared over there, and what happened to him on stage. Yes. So once what happened is, I didn't procrastinated my talk so much that when I was on stage, I fumbled, and I had a problem. So what was that? And why, how procrastination has should not be done, and how it got me into problem. Yeah. And how this phrase "you are a star" has actually come. That also in the preface only I've written that it is so interesting that there was a my colleague Niran in Belgaum, and this is a true story. Yeah. And he was a very dynamic person, very affable personality he had. And once he came into the dining room, and our sir just said, "Here comes a star." and and they just started conversing in Kannada later on. And he just started the conversation, "You are a star, man," and everything like that. And it got stuck so much in my mind, and I was like, someday someone should also call me star. So that phrase "you are a star" was stuck so much in my mind. And later what happened, and how this sir happened to say this phrase to me, that also I have written in the preface only. And that is something very very that very very intriguing and interesting. Like all such things, whatever in my life they have happened, no, I have just quoted down in this book, and it is really a interesting read, and
Yeah, it seems
people are
very
liking it.
interesting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So is this book available online only, or one can buy it offline too?
This book is available online and offline both. And you can search for the book on Amazon. You can just type "You Are a Star" self-help book, or you can just write my name, or even if you write "You Are a Star" book, it comes. And it will be available offline also in the bookstores and in Crossword or big bookstores like that, once the lockdown is over, yeah, and everything normalizes.
Okay, so I'll leave the link to the book in the description box below. Make sure to check that out because it sounds like a very interesting book and a very, useful book at these times, because these are the times when we lack motivation. Lockdown is going on, we are at home. So these are the times when we lack motivation and we need that much.
Exactly. And
So
people are having time, because
yeah,
why I could write this book, because I am actually in a profession where I don't get time for anything else. Because one operation lasts for 5 to 6 hours, like that. I have two operations in a day. So I found time only during this lockdown, because little less cases used to happen, right? So I have made
yeah.
use of that time. So for all the viewers, I want to say that just utilize your time and do whatever you like, and grab this opportunity, yeah, time wise, I mean.
So you said you are a bookworm in real life too. What are the genres that you like to read?
I mostly like self-help books, or say motivational or inspirational books. I also love to read autobiographies and biographies, because I like how people succeed. you know what they say, that you need not have all those problems or stumble in your life because of some problems or obstacles. Someone, if somewhere has that problem and has written somewhere with the solution, why not learn from it, right? So it is
Right.
so that is what I believe in, and that is why I like to read all these books. I even read fiction books, but like I enjoy mostly all such books like motivational stuff a lot.
Okay. So what books are you planning to write in future?
Yeah, right now I'm already on my second book, and second book is like I'll just reveal the name also with you today, and it is like deal with that stress. So I just thought that many people are having a lot of stress, yes, because of this conditions, COVID conditions. And I just want these young people, yeah, they should not succumb to stress. Stress is something which if you feel it is there, then only it exists. Yes, so I want to just tell them that you have to train your brain that it doesn't take stress, and it should not always be occupied with some or the other thought. You have to train your brain to be completely empty at times. So that is also a very fascinating and a very very useful book, as you said. So I am looking forward to present that also very soon. And yes, that is called as deal with that stress.
Okay, all the best with the new book and hope to have you
Thank
on
you.
our channel promoting the new book too.
Yeah, sure,
So,
sure.
you are also the founder of a website called cardiacanesthesia.in. So what is the website all about?
This is like you see, my writer's journey has actually started via academics, you know. Yeah, and now I did a lot of academics and writing in academics, and then I thought I have to do something for our young India or young people also, yeah, everywhere. So I just have bounced into this motivational stuff and inspirational stuff. But previously I used to write only and only academics. So many students used to approach me, like I am a gold medalist, by the way, in my academics, yeah. So students used to approach me and used to ask me how to write the answers, how to say it all, whatever, in exams and all. So I just found out this website, because as you said, it is important to reach many many people at a time. Yes, yeah, I can't go and tell everybody one to one. So everything, whatever, how to write the answers and how I used to write the answers, and all these are there on this website. It's called cardiacanesthesia.in. So even if you google my name, the website comes. It has more than 2 lakh hits, you know. And it is a very very popular website among the anesthesiologists and the cardiac anesthesiologists. And actually, um, that it is so rewarding to have something, you know, in your professional life as well. Like, yeah, student looks up to you, and yeah, they know me by all these things. So that is very very rewarding, you know,
Of
actually.
course, you are an inspiration, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you.
So, is there any message you want to give to our viewers?
Yeah, I would definitely like to give a message, and the message has been compiled in this book, You Are a Star. And I truly mean that you are a star. And just I want to say that success is a strategy. Ladies and gentlemen, success has to be structured. It is not a one day thing. It is not that it will come to you. A lot of things have to be compiled together and put into place, like your sincerity, your consistency, your perseverance, everything is going to count. And even if you have a little bit of everything, you are going to achieve super 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 success in your life. So just be there and keep doing, and I believe in you. That is all I want to say.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was my pleasure to have you on my channel. I'm so happy that through this YouTube thing, I got to know you. And please stay in touch. Please keep inspiring us. Hope to have you on our channel sometime soon again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me, Madhura. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, you know what to do. Like, comment, share and subscribe to Foster Feed. If you have any video suggestions that you would like to see on my channel, leave them in the comment section below. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy reading!